Does your video feel empty and boring? Or is the awkward silence driving your viewers away? Great visuals are not enough. You need great audio to keep people watching. Filmora 15 makes it incredibly easy to add professional music and sound effects. First, go to the Audio tab at the top of the screen. Click on a song to listen to a preview. Once you find the perfect track, drag and drop it onto the audio timeline below your video. Now, you must fix the volume levels. Background music is usually too loud by default. Hover your mouse over the horizontal line in the middle of the audio clip. Drag the line down until the volume reads -20 or -25 decibels. This ensures your voice remains clear and easy to understand. Next, let us add some sound effects. Click on the sound effect category in the sidebar. Search for specific sounds like whoosh, pop, or camera shutter. Drag the effect onto a separate audio track. Line it up perfectly with a cut or a text transition on your video. Play back your video. It now has emotion, energy, and a professional atmosphere. It transforms a simple clip into a complete story. If this tip made your video sound amazing, please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 audio mastery.